At Collins Aerospace here in Burnsville, we design and develop and build the sensors that go on an aircraft that basically tell the pilot some of that critical information that they need to know in order to fly the airplane. If you think of the aerospace industry, a lot of what we're focused on, especially on the commercial side, is safety. Making sure that when you fly somewhere that you're always safe. There's a couple, I think, key skills that students need to have going in, especially with as fast as technology is changing. It's that ability to be adaptable, to learn a new technology very quickly and be able to use it. Technology is taking over all of the industries, not just aerospace. So the ability to even just be familiar with that is a huge skill. Having real-world examples of how you can apply a technology is sort of that critical thing that you need to instill in engineers, because it's not enough to just learn the concepts and be able to build something cool. You have to be able to apply that to a real-world problem.